For all the latest reviews, interviews, and everything entertainment in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, and Telugu, subscribe to Film Companion South now.
Hello and welcome to Film Companion South. You're watching Not at All a Review. My name is Hriday Ranjan. This week's movie is Bangar Raju, starring Naga Chaitanya, Nagarjuna, Ramya Krishna, and Kriti Shetty. The film is directed by Kalyan Krishna. Now, Sankranti is one of my favorite times of the year, not just due to the festivities and the new clothes, but also for the nostalgic memory of clamoring to find movie tickets, sending someone in the know to the theatre, and finally managing to procure tickets in black, a phenomenon that has completely vanished today. In fact, Sankranti memories are intertwined with movies in a big way.
నేను ఒక సంక్రాంతికి సమరసింహారెడ్డి చూసా, మస్తుండే సినిమా. మా ఊళ్ళో నేను గుడ్డలు పట్టుకొని దొరికా. ఇంకో సంక్రాంతికి అజ్ఞాతవాది చూసా, థియేటర్లో అస్సలు ఆడలే, కానీ బస్సులో మాత్రం చాలా బాగా ఆడింది. అందరం పండుకున్నాం, డ్రైవర్ కూడా పండుకుండు.
నేను పక్కా ఆంధ్ర. ఒక సంక్రాంతికి ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళ సినిమా చూసా, తెలంగాణ షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోయా.
నో సన్ ఏదో సినిమా గుర్తుంది కదా, సూపర్ హిట్. అందులో సిద్ధార్థ్ ఇండియాకి వచ్చి బర్రెపాలు విసుకుతాడు చూడు, ఆ బర్రె మాదే. కానీ ఫస్ట్ నా బర్రెను నువ్వు వస్తావా అంటే నేను రానన్నది. అరే ఎందుకు బర్రె అని అడిగితే మీ సినిమాలో మీ హీరోకి నా స్టేట్ పేరు పెట్టుకుంటేనే వస్తా అన్నది. అందుకే ఆ సినిమాలో ఆయన పేరు సంతోష్.
A sequel to the 2016 film Soggade Chinninaina, Bangar Raju's grandson, also named Bangar Raju, is Naga Chaitanya, who is a playboy. Watching from up in the heavens, Nagarjuna and Ramya Krishna decide to intervene in his life to make sure that their grandson marries an ideal girl. In this case, Nagalakshmi, who is played by Kriti Shetty. Just goes to prove that parents won't rest till their children are married, even from up in the heavens. But the problem is that Bangar Raju has inherited the playboy character of his grandfather. When his mother passed away in childbirth, his father, also played by Nagarjuna, moves to the US to work as a cardiologist who is always busy. Bangar Raju's family also has the responsibility of taking care of the local temple, but he has an ambivalent attitude towards God and religion. Now, Bangar Raju isn't going to be in the running for the best original screenplay. In fact, it doesn't even attempt to do that. Right from the first frame, it has been written as an entertainer. Songs, fights, and romantic scenes with a sprinkling of plot here and there. The themes of the film are also those that have been tried and tested for decades. These themes are comfortingly familiar to Telugu audiences: heaven, afterlife, parents, and God. But the film is light on its feet. There is a song every half an hour, but the songs don't make you squirm in your seat. You know where things are headed, but the director doesn't try to trick you with twists or fool you with gimmicks. In fact, it is when the story focuses on what you would traditionally call the plot points that it seems to lag. An evil priest who wants to take over the temple, scheming relatives within the family with ulterior motives. When the film wants you to take it seriously, you find it difficult to do exactly that. But director Kalyan Krishna takes the plot that is as old as the hills and yet manages to make it watchable at the very least. 20 minutes into the film's runtime, I stopped looking for inventiveness and instead for familiarity, for that is what the makers were going for. Nagarjuna and Ramya Krishna have the chemistry from their work in the 90s, and they work well as a couple who squabble but also care for each other in a playful way. Naga Chaitanya's role as Bangar Raju is a tricky one. For over the years, we have seen hundreds of films where the hero is a lover boy, a fighter man, and a uniter of families. But director Kalyan Krishna writes Bangar Raju as a happy all-rounder of sorts who does bits of action, romance, and comedy. The action sequences are not over the top. The comedy doesn't make you want to pull your hair out in frustration, and the emotional scenes don't give you a headache. And that sort of writing probably works well for an actor like Naga Chaitanya. Kriti Shetty is a delight to watch on the screen yet again, and even though she is given the role of a manic pixie dream girl, she pulls off the comedy scenes with aplomb. The rest of the cast, featuring Rao Ramesh, Vennela Kishore, and Sampath, are there to either deliver laughs or the needed evil to buffer up a story about good versus evil. If you don't go in expecting freshness and innovation, Bangar Raju is not a bad watch. It aims to give viewers the familiarity of Chakkara Pongal. So if you go in expecting pizza and pasta, you probably have yourself to blame. Thank you so much for watching our review of the film Bangar Raju. If you have watched the film yourself, please do remember to shoot a real review and tag us on social media. Also remember that the cases are rising, so stay safe, stay happy, stay awesome. Happy Sankranti.
ఏ రాధేశ్యామ్ అన్నావు, ప్రభాస్ ఏడి?
నువ్వు నాగచైతన్య అనుకుంటున్నావు కదా కాదు ప్రభాస్ మొత్తం విఎఫ్ఎక్స్